Baby, I done dropped the kids off at school and I got a phone call from my husband saying, babe, I'm on my way home. Can you fix me something to eat? Because I'm starving. No problem, Mr. Jefferson. No problem. Let me tell you, because my husband rarely asks for anything. And when he say he wants something, I'm going to get up and do it each and every time. This man has worked 16-hour shifts. And when he say he wants something, I'm going to get up and do it. Because I know if it was me or the kids asking for anything, he would have got up and did the same thing. Let me tell you, this man right here, I love him to death. Not just because of things that he do, because of the person that he is. He's very loyal. He loves his family. And when he loves you, he loves you. When I tell you he will stop what he doing for anybody, anything, if they need it, he's going to go out and get it. So just to show my appreciation or show that I appreciate him, I am going to do anything that he asks me to do. Because I know for sure that he would do it for us. My husband has went days with just 2 to 3 hours of sleep and having to be back to work in a couple of hours. But if the kids have something to do, he ain't gonna miss it. He ain't gonna miss a basketball game. He ain't gonna miss a school function. If he say he gonna be there, he gonna be there. And I love that about him. So whenever my husband asks me to do anything for him, I'm going to do it with bells on. Baby, you can say what you want to say. I'm going to do it for mine. If you have a husband or a boyfriend or anyone that you really care about and they care about you as much as you care about them, baby, do anything and everything that you can for them because it's only a few of them out here in the world. So I tell you to appreciate that person. Appreciate and love them each and every day because I know that I love my husband. I appreciate everything he does.